Please subscribe for more videos. Click the bell icon for more updates. Pakistan records over 4,000 cases for first time since July as Punjab, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa drives spike. Pakistan has recorded more than 4,000 coronavirus cases in a day for the first time since July, driven by a spike in infections in Punjab and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa as the country battles the third wave of the virus. According to the government's database for tracking the spread of the coronavirus, Pakistan reported 4,368 cases in the last 24 hours, up from 3,946 a day earlier. This is the highest single-day case load recorded since July 2, 2020, when the country detected 4,432 infections during the first wave. The majority of the new cases were reported in Punjab, which accounted for 2,451 of the tally. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa also saw a jump in new cases, confirming 890 infections compared to yesterday's 583, an increase of 52%. The country's positivity rate has risen to 10.2%. The countrywide breakdown of new cases is as follows: Punjab 2,451 cases, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa 890 cases, Sindh 247 cases, Balochistan 32 cases, Islamabad 663 cases, Azad Jammu and Kashmir 79 cases, Gilgit-Baltistan 6 cases. In the same time period, the country recorded 63 fatalities from the virus, the majority of which 43 were confirmed in Punjab. Meanwhile, the National Command and Operations Center (NCOC) shared data regarding oxygenated hospital beds and ventilator occupancy in various cities of the country, depicting an alarming situation in many cities of Punjab. According to the data, Multan has the highest ventilator occupancy at 65%, followed by Islamabad at 62%, Gujranwala at 60%, and Lahore at 54%. There are no patients on ventilators in Balochistan, Azad Jammu and Kashmir, and Gilgit-Baltistan, the NCOC said. More than 95% of oxygen beds at hospitals in Gujarat are occupied, followed by Gujranwala 85%, Peshawar 73%, and Islamabad 49%. Lockdowns and restrictions. As the number of cases rose in the province, the Punjab government imposed smart lockdown in 11 areas of Rawalpindi, Gujranwala, and Sialkot. On the other hand, the KP government announced that markets in the province would remain closed on Fridays and Saturdays. Earlier this week, the NCOC had decided to enforce a number of new restrictions for cities where the positivity rate was more than 8%. The forum had voiced grave concern over the current situation of the coronavirus in Pakistan and unanimously agreed upon a number of high-impact interventions in cities and districts where the 3-day rolling positivity rate average was over 8%. These restrictions will remain in effect till April 11, while a review will be held on April 7. The NCOC also decided to shut down all educational institutes in areas with a high incidence of COVID-19, including Islamabad, till April 11th. Earlier this month, the NCOC had announced a 2-week spring vacation in educational institutions in 10 cities of Punjab, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Azad Kashmir, and Islamabad from March 15 till March 28. Please subscribe for more videos. Click the bell icon for more updates.